Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make Millet Pesarattu today. This nutritious dosa is made using green gram, that is Moong, and Barnyard millets. Take 1 cup of whole green gram and half a cup of Barnyard millets. Add water and rinse them a few times. Drain the water, add fresh water and let this soak for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Once soaked, drain the water and transfer the soaked ingredients to a blender jar. Add green chilies, ginger, salt, little water and blend everything to a fine smooth batter. Now transfer the batter to a mixing bowl. Check for salt and adjust if necessary. Add salt and mix it well. If required, add a little more water to get a flowing consistency of the batter. Now heat a dosa pan and lightly grease it. I have used a cast iron pan for making the dosa. Cooking on a cast iron pan not only gives a beautiful crispy texture but adds to the taste. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the pan and spread it evenly to make thin dosa. Sprinkle finely chopped onions and coriander on top. Drizzle a little ghee and cook the pesarattu until it turns crispy and golden. Once done, remove the dosa from the pan and serve it with a side of orange coconut chutney. The recipe for the chutney is in the description box below. I hope you loved this simple and healthy recipe. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such recipes. Thank you.